So I'm Trevor Jones. I work here at the NASA Glenn Research Center, which is in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm an aerospace engineer. An aerospace engineer is similar to a mechanical engineer, except for the focus is more on space applications and aero applications, which basically means airplanes, anything that flies, helicopters. So I do a lot of things such as designing spaceflight hardware, launch vehicles, analyzing them using the computer, and also doing testing like we are here in the vibration test lab. So this is one of our large vibration shaker tables. So what we'll do is put a piece of hardware on here, and then this whole table actually shakes to try and simulate the launch of the space shuttle or whatever other vehicle that this hardware is sitting on. For example, we've tested various antennas and things that are going to be going on to the space station to be used for communication. So first they'll come here, we'll connect them to the table, we'll instrument it with different accelerometers, which just measure how the unit is moving, and then we'll shake it, take a look at the data, and if it hasn't broken and everything seems okay, then it'll be okay to go on to the next test before it's eventually launched. Yeah, so I guess one of the neatest experiences I had here was, I spent a lot of time working on this Ares 1X launch vehicle, right? So I started before it was even a real thing. It was just a concept, working on teams to design what the vehicle was going to look like. And I guess just the neatest and humbling thing was when it was actually built and seeing the hardware and seeing how big it was, and then actually watching the thing launch and watching it work as we expected to. That was really a rewarding experience for me. It's hard to describe. I went to Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute to get a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, which I have. From there, I got a job here at NASA and continued my education here at NASA part-time at Case Western Reserve University, where I got a Master's of Science degree also in mechanical engineering. Okay, so when we were designing part of a vehicle recently, we had an issue where some of the delicate electronics, computer hardware and stuff that was on the launch vehicle were experiencing vibration levels that were too high, and it seemed that they were going to break. So the solution we came up with is we used these, this is sort of a spring. So this kind of isolates the hardware from the harsh vibration environments that the vehicle's seeing. So, and that way the electronics will survive the launch and work when they get into space. I guess it's exciting that we could be doing something new coming up here. There's talk of going to near-Earth objects like asteroids. There's talk of going to Mars and beyond. So, to do all these things, we're going to need to develop new launch vehicles, basically that can accomplish that goal. So, it is definitely an exciting time at NASA.